My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2019 Tesla Model S Ludicrous Edition. This vehicle has done just under 53,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. On our user interface, we're met with navigation as a feature, and if we click our Tesla icon in the bottom right, we can access our controls, pedals and steering, suspension, charging, autopilot, safety, service, and software. Within safety, we have advanced features such as a pin to drive and a glove box pin. If we go back into software and click on additional vehicle information, we can get a deeper analysis of the vehicle's spec. The Model S comes with our very own parking camera, and with that you can access your dash cam. If we click here, we can access our climate control, which includes heated seats, a heated screen, and our heated steering wheel. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can get a good view of our panoramic roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.